Welcome back, YouTube land. I am today cleaning out the chicken coop, or actually digging out the chicken coop floor. And what I'm going to end up doing is putting sand in here. Now, years ago, many years ago, when I first built this coop, I used sand. Sand was the floor of the coop is what I used primarily. And it worked really well. It was kind of like a kitty litter. It was very easy to clean, as well as the sand exfoliated feet of the chicken, and it was very healthy and very hygienic and clean to use. Then years later, I decided to try using mulch because I wanted to try to grow some Stropharia mushrooms out here, which was a horrible idea, but I figured I would give it a shot. And in giving it a shot, it didn't work out really well. It became really muddy. So the short-term solution was to go back to straw, and we started using straw, and we've been using straw in here now for a few years, and it's time to dig it out and go back to sand. So another excellent aspect is that this is going to turn into fertilizer. I say it's going to turn into fertilizer. This is all going to go in the garden. So the floor here of the chicken coop is an excellent source of fertilizer. I mean, you can kind of see how dark some of that is down there. Some really good. The chickens perch up here and they poop down in here. They poop down here all night long. So it's a really good source of fertilizer. So we're going to dig out as much of this as I feel like digging out, and then start filling it in with sand. So I'll show you what the sand looks like and how that works once it's all done. All right, everybody, have a good one. Hope everyone is staying safe and starting their gardens and getting to work out there. So if you're not working, as soon as you stop watching this video, get out and get something started. Have a good one. Peace.